Read Receipts is an iOS messaging feature that lets people know when you've seen their message. When this feature is enabled on your iPhone 17, the sender will see the word "read" under their message after you open it. If you haven't opened the message yet, they'll see "delivered." To use Read Receipts, both you and the other person must have iMessage turned on. You can turn Read Receipts on for everyone or only for specific contacts. Here's how to turn on Read Receipts for everyone on the iPhone 17. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and tap Messages from the list of apps. In the Messages app Settings menu, turn on the switch next to Send Read Receipts. Once enabled, anyone you message using iMessage will be able to see when you've read their messages. To stop using this feature, just turn off Send Read Receipts in the Messages app Settings menu. If you want to turn on Read Receipts only for a specific person, here's what you should do. Open the Messages app, tap the conversation with the person you want to enable Read Receipts for, tap the contact icon at the top of the conversation. From the Contacts menu, scroll down and turn on the switch next to Send Read Receipts. With this switch enabled, only that person will now see when you've read their messages. Should you wish to disable this feature, just turn off Send Read Receipts for that contact again. That person will no longer receive read confirmations from you. And that's it. If this video helped you control your privacy in messages, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to learn more useful features of your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.